We're having a great day here at Hampton High School, where we are home of the Mighty Hornet Nation. Parents, we're so excited to launch our 2022-2023 school year. Please join us on Monday, August the 1st on the campus of Hampton High School from 12 noon to 3 p.m. for Open House 2022. Open House is a time designated for you and your child to meet his or her teacher and to explore the wonderful learning opportunities that we have prepared for your scholar. During Open House, you and your child will also have the opportunity to connect. Connect will take place in the school commons area, where we will have the opportunity to learn of various ways that your child can connect beyond the classroom to Hampton High School. We have sports, clubs, and organizations. It is our desire that your child connect to something beyond the classroom to enhance their overall high school experience. There's also an opportunity for you, mom and dad, to connect as well. We have a parent-teacher organization and we have school council. We are looking for individuals from the community to serve on Hampton High School's school council. Well, we look forward to greeting and partnering with you as we begin the new school year. See you soon at the High. One more thing. In the notes section of this presentation, you will find a slideshow that speaks to our school's dress code policy that will be presented to all of our scholars during the first week of school. But as you are school shopping, please remember that students are not permitted to wear pants with rips or holes in them. Please see the presentation for more details in the notes section of this YouTube video. And remember, wise decisions produce positive outcomes. It is our desire that all of our scholars have a wonderful school year. This is your principal, Mr. Ward, signing off. We hope to see you soon at the High. Go Hornets!